hold it long enough, it does. Watch this, ready? Focus. It usually follows the jar.
Well, you fed him now, so. Get it, get it. You're so mean, Mama.
Ready? Here you go. Big spoon. You get more over your
See
face.
his legs kicking.
Yeah, I know, right?
Zoom out. Oh, he's getting excited.
Rattle the freaking jar. More? More? You want more? You do? Okay. Here you go. Oh, you always close your freaking mouth when I go. No? It's like, I'm on camera again.